Sting on 43, on emergency north from Charlie.
Bravo Mike with a face smash and shot at us. We're at Rose Ave and Jim Penn.
Signal 43, on emergency north from Charlie, 60 Alpha.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Rose Avenue in Claricota, signal 43, emergency north.
Headquarters, we have the car, southbound Pine Hill, LT 10-4 to pursue. 10-4. See, you might be back on.
He's in the yard, directly behind it, and hold back.
He's running westbound on Ridgefield.
That's this way. Nice and slow, nice and slow.
Cautious of crossfire when we make contact. Ridgefield 1.
Get down on the ground right now! Get down on the ground! Do not move!
I can get through right there.
Don't go in there.
Hey, climb over the fence right here, right now. You're gonna follow our commands.
You're gonna get dog bit.
You're gonna get bit by a dog if you don't follow our
I can
commands.
see he's prone down with his hands forward.
Alright, behind you with the dog, guys.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go through the other side of the fence.
That backyard.
Alright, yeah, follow between the pool and that shed. She's coming up on the angle. You guys watch her crossfire. They're coming up on the south to the north on the other side of the fence.
Get coverage on him, please. If you move, you are getting dog bit. Do you understand me?
Crawl.
Crawl? Nope, nope.
Everybody on the west 803, back up a little bit to the south so you're not in the crossfire.
Crawl to me. Do not reach for anything. Keep your hands in front of you while you're crawling.
You understand? Crawl, don't
Crawl.
stand up.
On your stomach. Army crawl. Good boy. You go anywhere else towards me, you're getting dog bit. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hands go in, please.
Hands right back. Hands right back. Put your hands behind your back.
Sorry, they're going hands on the floor right now.
Good.
1815. Good job by everybody. Good coordination. Thank you, Chase.